chana or urad mixed dal recipe. Welcome to my YouTube channel. We will make it in our kitchen by mixing gram dal and black urad dal. First we will take gram and black dal and boil it in a pot for a while, and then take the cooker and add salt and turmeric and boil it for 5 minutes. Then 2 onions will become finely chopped. Now you can chop or chop because you can't see the inside of the dal after chopping. At the same time, make a paste of ginger and garlic and finely chop the green chilies. Then go to a separate pan and fry the onion in it and brown it a little, and when it turns brown, add salt, turmeric, red chilies and fry it well. After adding the dal, the boiled dal will be added to it. Now after that, cook it well, then add green chilies in it and dry fenugreek seeds in it and fry it well. And then add hot spices to it and add green coriander to it, and take a separate pot along with cumin oil and curry leaves and cook it till it gets hot, and inside it after that add dal, put it in. It will be closed like this and it will be ready, and eat it with pleasure and feed it to others too.